Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get or use what to eat filter on Instagram. So for this you need to open your Instagram profile, and here you need to search for a creator profile. So this is a creator, so you need to open his profile. Wow filters come. So here you need to click on this emoji icon. So once you click on this one, you need to scroll down. After scrolling down here you will see what to eat. So you need to click on this one. So here you can see. So if you want to save this filter to your Instagram filter list, then you can click on this tick icon here. So this filter will be saved to your filter list. And if you want to try this filter, then you need to click on try it. Here you can see. So you need to tap on here to continue. So breakfast. So this is how you can use this filter. So if you find this video useful, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.